Farms, and welcome back to the eTech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can check your watch history on the TikTok app. Now the first thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok app and log into your account. And once you're logged in, you'd want to look at the profile icon on the bottom right section of the screen and click on that to access this profile page. So once you're on the profile page, look to the top right side of the screen. You'd see the hamburger menu right there, so just click on that and then click on settings and privacy and scroll down to the midsection to click on activity center, and from the activity center you'd see your watch history right there. So that's how to basically check your most recent views on the TikTok app. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to the channel.